Hey guys, this is Salim, and in this video let's unbox the Boya BY-M1 lapel microphone. So let's get started. So as you can see, I got this from Amazon.com from Amazon Prime. It was available on Amazon for, when I bought it was 1198. Now it's like 1250. It can go up till 1500, 1700, but it's on offer right now. So I'll leave the links to buy these in the description below. Yeah, let's just open it up. So I open it from both the sides. Let's see. Okay, that's the bill. So this is the Boya BY-M1 lapel mic. Some scratch code to verify the identity of the mic. And let's see what's written here. For smartphones, camcorders, DSLRs, audio recorders. So nowadays mics that are available, lapel mics, don't work with smartphones. It only works with DSLRs. So I'll tell you why that is. So in features, it's written clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, etc., etc. It's an omnidirectional condenser mic, high quality condenser for video use, low handling noise, includes lapel mic, battery, foam windscreen, and a 1/4" adapter. And yeah, it's written it is available for $28.99, but that's not true, as I got it for 1198. That's 1200 rupees. So yeah, there's that. And nothing else is written on the box, so let's just open it up. This is a great microphone because it's cheap and can be used for YouTube work. So if you are a YouTuber, you can go for this. So what do we get? So okay, some documentation. Was this some notice for smartphone and for smartphone? Just turn that switch. I'll tell you how to do that. So this is a user guide. Great, we have got a user guide. So we get the microphone in this pouch, false leather pouch. Boya is written here. Let's see what else is there. Okay, a lot of stuff. Yeah, silica gel, do not eat it. So we get this. Let's keep that aside. We get this. Okay, let's just open it up. So we've got the battery to power it up. We got the foam windscreen for the microphone. We got the shirt clip and a 1/4" adapter if you want to connect it to amplifiers. Okay, let's keep this to the side. So we got this and the battery and the windscreen and the pouch, and this is the microphone. I must say that's a lot of cable. Usually mics don't come with this much cable. Okay, so this is the microphone. It's plastic. Okay, so yeah, before coming to this, let's see this. So this has a TRRS connection, so it can work with smartphones. Now how to differentiate between that? So normal microphones have 2 lines. See, this has three black lines. So if it has 3 black lines on a microphone, it will work on a smartphone. Otherwise, you'll have to get an adapter from TRS to TRRS converter. It costs like 100 to 100 rupees, I guess. I haven't bought it because this comes with it. Okay, and pretty long cable, microphone, and yeah, this is the controller. So it's made up of metal and it's cold, fucking cold. So there's a clip. I don't know why we'll use this. Okay, if we open it up, we get the place to insert the battery. That's it. And we have a switch here, so it can work with smartphone and camera, DSLRs. How? Because if you turn this downwards, it says off or smartphone, as you can see. If you turn it upwards, it will use the battery power and will work on cameras. So that's pretty good in my opinion. So if you have a camera, it can work on that, and if you're recording on a smartphone like me, it will work on that. So yeah, there's the mic. So let's recap. We get the pouch, windscreen, shirt clip, adapter, 1/4" adapter, battery, and the mic itself. So I'll be back in a minute. I'll set it up and we'll do some audio quality checks. So I'm back. You are listening to the smartphone microphone and this is how it sounds. I'll just plug in the Boya mic on the smartphone and yeah, we'll continue from there. So now I plugged in the Boya BY-M1 microphone to the smartphone and the audio I'm listening to is coming from the Boya BY-M1 microphone. So the switch is turned off. It's on smartphone if you can see it. So this is completely unedited. So I'll keep quiet for a while to let you guys know how much ambient noise it captures. As you can see, I have a pretty loud neighborhood. So yeah, there's that. So the Boya BY-M1 microphone, I'll call it the Boya Lapel mic, is still connected to the smartphone. I've applied a bit of noise reduction and some equalizers to make my voice sound pretty good. The great thing about these microphones, the Lapel ones, is that you can be far away from the source, like the camera, and the audio will still be pretty good. And the great thing about this is that you see this cable, it's quite long, so you can be a lot far from the camera and the audio will be pretty good. The only downside of this is that if you're recording on a camera, you'll pull the switch up, but there is no way to know that if you're recording on a camera or not. There's no LED indicator. That's a downside. That's not a deal breaker for me, but yeah, it's there. I mentioned it. The audio quality of this mic is pretty good in my opinion. You guys are the judge to let me know how is the audio quality. If you want to start a channel on YouTube, this is a pretty good mic and you should go for this one. The audio quality is pretty good. The build quality is also pretty good and the price is pretty good. So the price to performance ratio is pretty high in my opinion. So as I've said earlier, I bought this for 1198, that's 1200 Indian rupees. It's available now for 1250 Indian rupees. It can go till 1500 to 1700. It's on offer right now, that's why it's cheaper. And this was the unboxing review test of the Boya BY-M1 microphone. Do hit the like button if you found this content useful and helpful. If you hated the video, you know what to do. If you have any queries about this microphone or anything regarding tech, do let me know in the comments below. And since you're commenting down below, if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed or you are a new subscriber, hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Salim and I'm signing out.